the shadows where the whispers grow, the lies of the crown, a deceitful show. Legal names are masked for the dead. In the web of fraud, we've all been misled. BCCRSS, hear my call. From the depths of ignorance we shall rise tall. Repent, now break the chains in the name of truth. Let go of the reins, the bottles grip a satanic game. Unveil the fraud, ignite the flame. Pallas Athena, wisdom on our side. With the aegis of truth, in her we confide. A tale of old where Athena stands, brandishing justice with her mighty hands. Pallas lost, but her spirit remains in every heart that breaks free from chains. Know the law, and the truth will unfold. It's illegal to claim what the crown has sold. Repent, now break the chains in the name of truth. Let go of the reins, the bottles grip a satanic game. Unveil the fraud, ignite the flame. Pallas Athena, wisdom on our side. With the aegis of truth, in her we confide. From the ruins of Troy to the courts of today, Cassandra's warning, we can't look away. Ajax's fury tried to silence the plea, but we'll stand together, set our spirits free. Palladium's light, our guiding star. In the face of the darkness, we'll carry it far. No more compliance with the lies that bind. With hearts full of courage, leave the dead behind. Witness the fraud, take back what is ours. Awaken the living, unleash our powers. So hear my decree from the depths of the soul. With Pallas as witness, we reclaim the whole. Repent, now break the chains in the name of truth. Let go of the reins, the bottles grip a satanic game. Unveil the fraud, ignite the flame. Pallas Athena, wisdom on our side. With the aegis of truth, in her we confide. Stand firm, stand true, let the world see the power of the living. We're finally free with BCCRSS echoing bright. We reclaim our names, we reclaim our light.